Alrighty, y'all, those are just my all beef patties on top of my puff pastry. Now I'm coming in with some Colby Jack cheese. You can use cheddar if you prefer, or American, but I love the Colby Jack. Now I've got my cooked bacon here, and what I'm gonna do is just kind of put this in a nice little V right on top of each one of my burgers. And this way we're just getting the most coverage, bacon to burger ratio. Now I'm coming in with a slice of my beef steak tomatoes. And I'm just gonna place that right in the center. Yummy. Now I've got my Thousand Island dressing. Now you can use a different dressing if you prefer. Oop. And I am just gonna give these a nice little drizzle right on top. You can, do as much or as little as you like. Beautiful. Now I've got my hamburger dill pickles, and I'm just gonna come in and start kind of layering these. I love a pickle. Yum, yum, yum. They're so good. Now, if you want to use any sort of special seasoning on your burgers, you can add that now. I've got a little plan for mine. I think this is gonna be so tasty, such a fun lunch treat. All right, I'm putting a little bit of this Dano's crunchy seasoning on. Yummy. This is such a good blend. It's got garlic and onion, sea salt, sesame seed, spices, mustard seed, lemon peel, orange peel, onion powder, and poppy seed. Yummy. Now I'm just coming in, slice and a slice. So easy. And I'm gonna start just gathering up my puff pastry here. Now it's been out of the fridge for a second, so it is a little sticky. The faster you can use it once you get it out of the fridge, and the colder it still is, the easier it is to work with. But I am just gonna start rolling these up, pulling up those sides. And now I'm just gonna tuck my little ends in. We're kind of making a pocket here. Just some happy little pigs in a blanket, or cows in a blanket, I guess, in this case. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This looks so good, y'all. And I cannot wait to show you what we're doing with this yummy lunchtime treat. Alrighty, y'all, it's been 3 minutes and our burgers are ready. Yum, yum, yum. Let's get these to the counter. All right, y'all. Lunch is ready. Look at my delicious golden beauties here. Just to give these a pretty presentation, I am just gonna squirt right on top here. Gorgeous. A little bit of French's mustard. Gosh, I gotta tell Marty it's time to restock these condiments. Wow. You know what? That's okay, guys. Alrighty, guys. I've got making lunch for Jen, Marty, and Andrew. I'm so excited. I've got mine already plated up over here because I wanted to cut into this and show you guys just how perfectly. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks incredible. Wow. And then, you know what? It's just like a regular hamburger. You don't even need to, you just eat it like a bun. Y'all, you gotta try this.